Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So media personality Unathi got into an altercation with Sizwe Dlomo on their radio show on Khaya 959 last year, and she ended up being fired because of that. Unathi hasn't spoken about that ordeal until now, as she for the first time has opened up in her Instagram post and said that she lost everything to a one-sided story. She took to her Instagram and wrote, I have been through the most vigorous and painful year of therapy of my life because I lost everything due to a one-sided story that many were too keen to believe. In May, my therapist wanted to put me on meds, anxiety pills and tranquilizers because I had hit rock bottom. We decided against the meds, but that meant I had to force myself to get into a routine which included exercise to show up for myself. My father said, be regular with your therapy and then sit back and watch them turn against each other. They will, because there is no integrity amongst the three people who conspired against you in this matter. My therapy session today was cathartic, to say the least. Now there you have it guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye.